In this video, we will be demonstrating how to enter your coursework into the self-reported academic record. As discussed in a previous video, you have the option of entering your coursework by year, as you can see here, or by subject area if you change the option in the drop-down menu. Whichever way is easier for you is fine. I will demonstrate by year. We will skip these first few sections as they are covered in a different tutorial video, and we'll come back to the core coursework entry at the end. You can see here that you have the ability to enter your coursework for all 4 standard years of high school, plus anything you may have taken in middle school. For demonstration purposes, I will begin with 9th grade, or 2017-2018. It is very important that you carefully read each bullet point in this red box when it pops up. The key is to enter everything exactly as it appears on your transcript. I will click continue for now, but please be sure to read through this. If you ever want to go back and read that red box again, you can click redisplay. If you have a GPA for the specific year, you may enter it in this box. Otherwise, check I have not received an annual GPA for this academic year. Select the academic level. For this example, these courses were taken in 9th grade. As you enter coursework, it will populate here so that you can keep track of everything you have submitted so far. Now let's break down each of the columns that you see under Add New Coursework. First is subject area, such as English, math, etc. Next, you will see the generic course title that most closely matches the subject matter of the course at your school. You can see the options for English listed here, or we can switch over to math and see those options as well. Next, you will type in the exact course name as it appears on your transcript, if different from the generic course title. You will then select an option for the course level that matches the designation made on your high school transcript. For example, each course might be honors, AP, dual enrollment, IB, etc. If your class is not designated as such, or your school does not use any of the levels listed, then please select standard. Next, you select course length. Think of this as when do you receive a grade for the course? Most often it would be by semester, full year, trimester, or quarter, but there are other options listed as well. The final step is to enter the grade. When I entered the grading scale for this school, I noted that everything was issued as a letter grade, so that is what you see as an option here. If I go back to the high school page and change the scale to numbers, you will see the numbers listed here instead. While you would select a grade for all completed courses, if you are entering your senior classes, you will select in progress for that grade. There are other options listed down here as well that you may also choose from. Changing the course length will also change the credits, so please be sure that this information is accurate as well. Now let's enter some examples. I will start with English. Let's say I took the traditional freshman English, which is best categorized as English 9. Perhaps it's listed as freshman English on my transcript. And so I will change the name to match what I see on my transcript. This was a standard level class, semester based, and I earned a B in the first semester and an A in the second semester. And I will save this course. I will repeat for math. Maybe I took Algebra 1, and I can leave the course name as is. This class was honors, also semester based, and I earned an A and then a B. And save course. Let's try one more that's maybe a touch more complicated. Perhaps I took 2 elective classes that were each only 1 semester, one fall and one spring. Let's say I took World Geography, which would be found under History and Social Studies. I changed the course name to World Geography. This was a standard class, semester-based, and since it was only in the fall and I earned an A, I will leave the second semester blank and save course. I go back to enter my other elective course, which let's say it was computer science and web design and development. Also a standard class, semester-based. It was only a second semester course, so I leave the first semester blank, and I enter my grade for the second semester. If we go back to the summary, we can see everything that has been submitted and be sure that it looks correct. Two last things to note. You can enter any courses that were taken in middle school that show up on your transcript. You will enter them here in this section just like we did on the last courses. You also have the option of entering all of your core coursework before going back in and adding electives. You can click that option and the fields will be pre-populated for the most common core courses. You can simply edit course titles and levels, enter grades, and go. This might be faster for you, but the option is yours. You can do it that way or come back here and enter everything course by course as we were doing before. That's it for this video. If you have more specific questions about how to enter your coursework, please reach out to your admissions counselor and they would be happy to help.